Hi, this is a recording from GMATquestions.org. Let's read the question. Adrian, Betsy, and Chris went fishing at the local lake. The number of fish that Adrian caught was 1/2 the number of fish that Betsy caught and 1/3 the number of fish that Chris caught. The number of fish that Betsy caught was what fraction of the total number of fish that Adrian, Betsy, and Chris caught? Really officially starting here the notion, the concept of ratios. In the previous question, I show you how to solve a question involving fraction, how to turn that into a ratio question. Because remember, fraction and ratio obviously are related. But here we have what I would consider a simple ratio questions. And once you understand this concept of ratio, it's gonna do you well, it's gonna serve you well, okay? So let's go ahead and start the question. The first thing I would do if I were in the heat of the GMAT is, instead of writing Adrian, Betsy, and Chris, just to say ABC. Basically, A being Adrian, B being Betsy, and C being Chris. Anytime you can gain, the better for you. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna write A as Adrian, B as Betsy, and C as Chris. And for everybody, the total, I'm gonna write T. So we're told that the number of fish that Adrian caught was 1/2 the number of fish that Betsy caught. So all you have to do here is write 1 under Adrian and 2 under Betsy. We're also told that Adrian caught 1/3. Remember, and 1/3. We're still talking about Adrian here, okay? 1/3 the number of fish that Chris caught. So we already have 1 here. We only need to write 3. And if you add these ratios, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6. We have the total ratio is 6. Now the question is, Betsy caught what fraction of the total number of fish that everybody caught? Okay? So the total ratio is 6, and the ratio corresponding to Betsy is 2. So clearly, Betsy equal 2/6 of the total. I hope it's clear here, 2/6, which means that Betsy caught 1/3, 1/3, by simplifying this fraction of the total. And that's it. That's as simple as that. We organize here using the concept of ratio by drawing some type of table, and then from that everything becomes clear. Clear because really organized and making sure that we put the right ratios at the right place. Okay? As you can see, the correct answer is E. So let's write that down. E is the correct answer. Again, this was not a very difficult question. It's part of the what I call the fundamentals, the basics. Before you can aspire to do well on the GMAT, you absolutely need to know the fundamentals, the basics. Once you master that, your journey is gonna be that much smoother. Okay? So make sure then you know how to do them efficiently with the minimum amount of time. Okay. This is a recording from GMATquestions.org. I'll see you in the next video.